Thank you for joining us for the weekly wrap-up. I'm Bianca Pantoja. Student talent, bright lights, and a big screen. The Kern High Film Festival gave student filmmakers a spotlight like never before. For the first time, the Kern High Film Festival takes center stage at the historic Fox Theater, an iconic venue with velvet seats and the smell of fresh popcorn in the air, all setting the stage for student films to shine on the big screen.
It's one thing to show your projects to your teacher or to your fellow students, but to see your work up on the big screen, tonight's going to be very special.
Good evening, everyone. I'd like to thank everyone for showing up tonight. We've got a wonderful movie to show.
Miss May, are you all right? Well, it seems that Ms. May is caught up in the spectacularity of what is this film.
And it truly was a special night, with students from across the district submitting films in a variety of categories, each one bringing their own voice, creativity, and story to life.
Give it up, Los Hermanos Mendoza!
Films were judged on everything from editing and lighting to costume design and acting. By the end of the night, our student filmmakers were honored with awards and recognition.
When it comes to my work, it's hard to put my value into material awards, but the thing is with material awards is very it's like physical proof that people can recognize and see your work and what you do, and so it means more to me than anyone could ever know.
The first of its kind district-wide competition where student dreams meet real-world opportunity. This is Risk It, the game show competition that gives student entrepreneurs across the district a shot at launching their very own business with real cash, real investors, and real stakes. 8 brave students stepped into the spotlight, pitching their business ideas to a panel of investors.
What do you think is your biggest challenge in marketing?
They each had a choice. Take $500, no questions asked, or risk it for a shot at the grand prize, up to $2,000 to jumpstart their business.
What I found it to be at its core for me was the fact that if you don't take risk, you're never going to really get anywhere. You're not going to win by playing it safe. You just sometimes have to take that risk in life. You sometimes have to do the unpredictable. You have to be able to have that, and you have to have that leap of faith, and you need to get there because you need to take that risk. And really the best part about it is, if you fail, you can start again. So why not do it? Why not take that risk? Why not try to get to the next level? And that's really where Risk It actually even came from. So we decided these people, they can walk away with $0 or they can walk away up to $2,000. And if they don't, they can try again.
With the guidance of Centennial Business Student Ambassadors as mentors, each entrepreneur sharpened their pitch and prepared to face real investors for the first time. It was high stakes, high pressure, and high reward.
When you go to risk it, there is that chance that you're not going to get any money. So it definitely is kind of nerve-wracking because a lot of the mentors, since we've only worked with one person, we're seeing all the businesses and their slides for the first time tonight. So it's going to be really exciting to see that, and we're going to work with our people to see if they should risk it for the money.
Congratulations to our student entrepreneurs for bringing passion, creativity, and courage to the stage. All entrepreneurs walked away with confidence, real-world experience, and the support of a community that believes in their potential. And that's exactly what event founder and teacher Jacob Stubbe hopes to inspire through entrepreneurship.
I think entrepreneurship is the ticket for them to go out to the real world, and there are no limits for them when they're entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are the wealthiest people in the world. So we're trying to train them at a young age to go out there, take risks, and just go out there and get all these skills that will help transfer to the real world.
A special thank you to Kern Venture Group, Kite, and Centric Healthcare for investing in our students' entrepreneurial journey and helping make their dreams a reality.
I call on our community to come together to ensure that more students complete their FAFSA applications and access the financial aid that they need.
Every year, thousands of dollars in financial aid go unclaimed. That's why local leaders and educators are stepping up to make sure every student gets the support they need to secure their future.
This year, we are actually looking to host 180 workshops throughout multiple organizations, Kern High School District, all of the high schools throughout Kern High, to ensure that our students are going to be able to fill out the financial aid application before April 2nd. So I would highly recommend any students that still need to fill out the FAFSA application to go in before April 2nd and to join one of our workshops.
With Cash for College workshops happening now, students don't have to do it alone. Stop by your school's Career Center for one-on-one support or visit Youth to Leaders website for a full list of upcoming events. At Nueva High School, community connection is key, and the annual resource fair is all about bringing helpful resources directly to students. From college reps and health services teams to even a local barber giving fresh cuts. The event was a one-stop shop for support, inspiration, and next steps beyond high school.
I think it's really important that we offer these resources to our school here at Nueva High School because a lot of our students don't reach out to the community. The parents are probably afraid or don't know where to start, and so that allows them to kind of have a starting point. And so we have more than 20 vendors and organizations here, which makes it that much more easier for the students to have that one-on-one conversation with the people, the personnel here today.
Students walked away with more than just flyers, but with new connections, confidence, and a reminder that they are supported every step of the way. Thank you for watching the KHSD Weekly Wrap-up. To see more videos from across the district, please visit the Kern High School District Public Information Office YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.